A major accident was narrowly averted involving Karnataka Minister Satish Jarkiholi during an official program held in Ranebennur town of Haveri district. The incident took place when a Shamiana erected at the venue collapsed due to sudden strong winds. The program was organized under the leadership of MLA Prakash Koliwad as part of the inauguration of various development works under the Basic Infrastructure Development Scheme. The event also included the launch of projects such as the installation of a bronze statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Minister Satish Jarkiholi had completed his speech and stepped down from the stage. While he was responding to media personnel, the Shamiana collapsed within moments, getting blown away by gusty winds. Alert security personnel immediately moved into action and ensured the safety of Minister Satish Jarkiholi. Due to the sudden incident, a brief atmosphere of fear and panic prevailed among the people gathered at the program venue. No casualties were reported, and the minister escaped unharmed in the incident.